Hey there, folks. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up HSBC mobile banking for 2025. If you're tired of long bank queues or just want to manage your finances on the go, this is the video for you. By the end, you'll have your account up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a compatible smartphone, iOS or Android, with a stable internet connection. Head over to your App Store, search for HSBC Mobile Banking, and download the latest 2025 version. It's free and secure, so go ahead and install it. Once the app is downloaded, open it and you'll see a welcome screen. If you're a new user, tap on Register or Create Account. You'll need to enter your personal details like your HSBC account number, date of birth, and a valid email address. Don't worry, all this is protected by top-notch encryption. Next, verify your identity. HSBC might ask for a one-time passcode sent to your registered phone number or email. Keep an eye on your inbox or messages. This step ensures your account stays safe from fraud. After verification, you'll be prompted to set up security features. I highly recommend enabling biometric login, like fingerprint or Face ID, for quicker and more secure access. Now, link your bank account. The app will guide you through selecting your accounts and confirming any additional details. Take a moment to customize your settings, such as notifications for transactions or bill payments. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection against cyber threats. Finally, explore the app. You'll find features like instant transfers, bill payments, and even investment tracking, all updated for 2025 with a sleeker interface. If you run into any issues, check the help section or contact HSBC support. There you have it. Setting up HSBC mobile banking is straightforward and empowers you to bank smarter. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.